Hi, welcome back. This is Jillian, and today we're going to be reviewing, reviewing but also unboxing my Allure beauty box. It is the May beauty box. So yeah, let's see what's inside. So I do know what's in here because I do follow them on Instagram, and I like saw what's in there, but at the same time, like it's like a true unboxing. I have not opened this. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. This is how the box looks inside. So they always start off with the little pamphlets, which is real cute. I love that they do bring this because they always tell you, like, obviously what's inside, but also how to use each of the products. It's a little Mother's Day card. Ooh, okay, hold on. No, because there's such a good item in here. Like, and this was their selling point for this box. Should we start with the best? We should start with the best. All right, so Fenty Beauty, the blush. Oh my god, this is nice. So yeah, I got it in the shade because for certain items you can pick like your shade for like certain glosses, lipsticks, or like for example blush. So I got it in the color Summertime. Oh, hold on, I can't even. Summertime Wine. I've never had a Fenty blush before. The only Fenty item I've owned is just her glosses, which I do love. Only thing I don't like about her glosses is that for some reason they spill a lot, like all over your bag, your makeup bag. It's just gonna spill. I don't know why. But other than that, like, the glosses are very good quality. So wow, okay, the packaging is pretty cute. So it comes in this like weird little cardboard thing, and then this is what you get. Okay. Nice. Wow. This is like unique. It's like a, what is this shape called again? I mean, it's literally like a square just shifted to the side, but anyways, yeah. So far it looks great. This smells pretty good. I feel like, you know, a product is like a makeup product is good quality when it smells good, specifically like the lipsticks or like glosses. I've noticed that. Okay, this is real cute. I'm gonna just do like a quick little swatch for y'all. Let's see. Oof. Okay, she's giving pigment. Let's see. Hope you can see good. Yeah, that's very pigmented. I love that. And it's cool because honestly, like, I was never a blush girl. So I kind of just started getting into blushes, and yeah, this is gonna be it for me. Okay, that's the first item. And item number two, I don't think I'm gonna love every single thing here. Like, there's already one product that I know I'm not gonna use, and I'm probably just gonna give it away to a friend or family, whatever. And that product is this. So it is I do know that this is a good brand. I've heard that it is. It is the Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. So this is like to thicken your roots. I feel like this is for people who have like straight hair, who blow their hair out, all that kind of stuff. I don't do that like ever. So I would have no need to do that. I do not need to raise my roots. They're already raised. But this is nice. I do want to know what it smells like though. Okay. Doesn't smell like anything special. It just smells like a hairspray. All right. Next product. Okay, this was my second most favorite product from, well, I haven't used it yet, but I think it will be my second favorite. This brand is very good. and it is a plumbing pillow face hydrating sleep mask. I love overnight sleep masks. I had one that I got from an Allure beauty box in the past, and I loved it. And it was probably even smaller than this, but a little bit does go a long way. But like every time I use that, the next day my skin looks so glowy, so beautiful, and like nourished. So hopefully this does have the same effect. So it is the, I don't know how you pronounce this brand, Elemis Peptide 4 Plumbing Pillow Face, Pillow Facial. It is a hydrating sleep mask. Yeah, advanced skincare. So that is it. All right, next we have, this is like a sample, which that's one reason why I wasn't crazy about this beauty box, because this month's beauty box, because there's some samples, there's 2 samples, and I don't like that. So yeah. So this is, let me see, I gotta take my glasses. Perfect Glow. It's like concentrates. So this is it, and then the product is inside. So this is literally, oh my goodness, it's so small. So is this like a face thing? Hold on, gotta go to our little book. Okay, so it's like a serum. Okay, so the one that I got is for glowy skin. Okay, cool. So it's just like a serum pretty much. I wonder how many uses you can get out of it. I'm assuming like 1 or 2. That is the 4th item. And let's just get the other sample out the way. So I've heard good things about this brand too. It is Eva NYC. So there's a sample of the hydrating conditioner and the hydrating shampoo. So it is 0.34 fluid ounces or 10 millimeters. I mean, I guess there's an okay amount in here, but like, I just don't like samples. I don't know, but I guess like I like samples if I'm genuinely interested in a product that is like expensive, and I'm like, let me just try the sample before I like invest my money into it. But when it's just like random samples, I'm not crazy about them, because I don't know, like, I don't know. But I mean, I will still use it and try it out. But I just don't even, I have a lot of hair. I don't even think this will be enough for one wash day. So, please don't mind the random bells, if it even shows up in the video. My neighbor does bell sounds. I don't know why. Okay. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The 6th product is, okay, this I'm very excited about, because if you know me, I'm constantly moisturizing my lips throughout the day with like a gloss, a lip balm, a lip oil, whatever. So yeah, I've always been a big fan of lip moisturizers. I've never tried this. I've never seen this before, but the brand is Aceology. It was getting loud out there. I had to like cut it for a second. But yeah, so this is the Aceology Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. I actually thought, I did that whole speech for no reason about lip moisturizers and my passion for them, because this is actually a lip scrub. Either way, I do really need a lip scrub, because recently, little background story, little TMI story, whatever, you can't tell anymore, but recently I literally had an allergic reaction to toothpaste. I don't know what happened, but like my body just said hell no to the toothpaste that I was using for like the longest time ever. And it just like literally started to burn my lips, like at the bottom. It's crazy. But I've switched to a good toothpaste now, and I'm okay. But I'm still like in the process of kind of getting my lips back to its normal shade. So I do definitely need a lip scrub. So this is perfect. So I don't want to open it right now, but I do wonder if it's like actually scrubbish, because a lot of like lip scrubs are very like not harsh, and for me, like if I'm buying a lip scrub, I want to feel it really like a little harsh and like taking away all the dead skin cells. So hopefully this is good. But so the last item, sixth item, this is not, but you guys, I'm not gonna lie, like this is still a really good box because these two things alone is already a steal. I paid $29.99 for this box. This is already, these two products alone are way more than $29.99 already, so it's worth it. Okay, seventh item. Let's unbox her, but this is a lip glaze or gloss, and I got it in the color guava. So I didn't get to pick a shade for this one, they just sent it. I'm assuming they sent everyone the same shade. It does look like a kind of like a nude shade that looks like it could work for almost anyone. It's very pretty, very pretty. Let's swatch her. Oh, 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 she's really glossy. She kind of spilled a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is very, very pigmented. It's like a liquid lipstick kind of, pretty much. Like a liquid glossy lipstick. This is a steal. I really hope the shade looks good on my lips because this is a gorgeous applicator and it just looks very fancy, like very nice. Okay. Oh, I mean, which is also, I guess, kind of cool if you're into these kind of things, but they do send like little coupon codes for like random like advertisements. This one is like the factory, not factory, the factory. It's like that meal prep stuff. I don't know. I'm not getting paid for that, so I'm not really gonna talk about it too much. But factor, if you want to work, let me know. But anyways, yes. So that was my Allure beauty box for the month of May. Honestly, this was good. I would say this was good. I was like complaining a little bit with the samples, but I still think like overall with everything, the price that I paid for this, like it was a steal. It was a steal. Like I said, these two products alone is a steal because I think this is, let me see. So retail price of this is $28. Again, I just paid $29.99. With this one is $26. Already passed what I paid. This guy is $24. This little thing is $24. Boom. This other little guy is, there's no way. Okay, no. This one is 15 ml. For the full size one, which is 50 ml, it is $75. They should kind of put the price of what the mini one is because they are only putting the price of the larger item, which doesn't really make sense. Let me see. For this one, I think they also did the same thing actually. Yeah. Okay, so this is not actually $24. This one is 50 ml, but the full size is 150 ml, and the full size one is $24. So I'm assuming this is probably about $10 or something like that. This one, oh, that's a steal. This one is $29, and this is the full size, which is 5 ounces. Yep. So not bad. But already, like, this is $29. I paid $29 pretty much for this and got a whole bunch of other stuff. We're not going to talk about the samples, but that's pretty much it. So overall, I would really have to rate this box like, I mean, I'll have to try the products and see how they like work on me and all of that, but overall so far I think I would rate this box like an 8.5 because it's not bad. Like what you paid for, it's not bad, not bad. But yes, thank you for watching this video. Stick around for the next one, and I hope everyone is enjoying their spring. I don't know the temperature, how it is where you are, but over here it finally has started to get warm in a weird way though, because we still have like a lot of rain. It's May, we're still getting a lot of rain and a lot of like wind and like chilly days, but little by little we're getting like in summer season, and I'm so happy, and I hope you are happy too. And yeah, have a blessed day, and thank you for joining me here today. Bye.